highlighting local businesses, entertainment, and events all around Northeast Florida. This is Around Town.
Welcome to Around Town. I'm Arielle Manns here today at the Ackerman Cancer Center with Dr. Scott Ackerman. Thank you so much for having us here today.
Thank you for having me.
November is Men's Health Awareness Month, so what are some of the cancers that men should be thinking about getting screened for?
The three main cancers that affect men, and that's lung cancer, colorectal cancer, and prostate cancer.
Here at the Ackerman Cancer Center, you provide radiation therapy as well as a type of radiation therapy, which is proton therapy. Can you tell me a little bit about what the difference is?
So when we treat patients with radiation, and most radiation centers around the country have what's called conventional radiation therapy. And that's where the radiation beam is shot at the patient. We use multiple beams that go through the patient from different angles, and where all those beams meet, that sum of radiation is how we treat that tumor. Proton radiation is where we use a particle, a proton particle. And it's a real particle, not just a beam of radiation. And the particle is shot into the patient at their cancer. It goes into the cancer, and then when it stops in the cancer, bam, it releases the radiation right into the center of the tumor. And by doing that, the protons are able to give a very precise dose of radiation to the tumor, and at the same time avoid radiation to any of the structures, the critical structures that are around that tumor.
Sounds like a much better experience overall for the patient. What about the experience overall here at Ackerman Cancer Center?
We pride ourselves in being a physician-owned and physician-run cancer center. We're not part of a big hospital system or a big hospital, and so we're able to be much more patient-centric. We have imaging on site, which includes MRI scanners, CAT scanners, PET scanners, mammogram machines. And so we're able to get answers right away and then get them treated in a very expeditious manner.
Awesome. Thank you so much for having us here today, Dr. Ackerman. And thank you for joining us for Around Town.